Okay. There's Ava. Where she?
Accent. Huh? Ready? Your card. Go.
Yay. Well, Ava, don't. Now your turn.
Accent. Ow! Huh? You do handstand? Ava, watch out.
Good.
Can you do handstand? Oh, good girl. You have to turn over like this. Camera, please. Camera.
Show her how to jump.
Need the camera.
Stand up and jump.
Jump.
Nice.
Oh,
Good
good.
girl. Ready?
Show her how to jump.
Hold on. Jump.
Jump.
Addison, show mommy how to jump.
Huh? If I can jump. Good girl. Addison.
Good.
Everybody watch out for my next move. Huh? Watch out for my next move. Watch out. Watch out.
Uh-oh.
I need the spotlight.
Oh.
Spotlight.
Oh, Audrey.
I need the spotlight. It does not hurt myself.
Audrey, can you scoot over a little bit, baby?
You ready to go night-night?
Ready, guys? Okay. Yeah.
Nice.
Wait. I can hold it for at least 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold on.
That is the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
fastest
7, 8, 9.
9 seconds.
12.
Ava, don't.
Why would you do that, honey?
Next. Okay, everybody watch me right now. I just did.
No, you don't need a Kleenex because she got one.
Okay. I messed up everybody. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Hold on, hold your fire. Hold your fire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 8.
That was not 8.
Half of a second.
That was 8. Okay, now watch this. It's very personal. Probably none of y'all can do it.
Don't do it again.
Watch this.
I want to watch the Billboard Awards. Oh. You almost went off that couch. Ava!